RAW48.
A piece of flat ring tube. I have no immediate ideas, so I'll remove wax from the outside to make the ring slimmer. Pierce away wax. And file flat. Bit smaller and easier to wear like this. Also revealed another hole in the wax. I want to do something with the corners, and after different doodles and ideas, I decide on something cube-based. Marked all the lines, and it won't be a cube, but more diamond-like. Pierce away wax under the cubes. File the ring band to match the rest. And file the bottom of the cube flat. Bottom's done. Pierce away wax between the cubes. File ring band to match. And file the sides flat. Basic shape with the cubes done. Very carefully file the top of the cube pointy on the diagonal. Easy sides done. Now it's time to be confused about how to do the rest. Very carefully do the same on the bottom. I don't want to file into the ring band, and of course I can't bring it all the way into a point at the bottom. File the ring band to match. Bottom done to the same stage. Left them well attached to the ring. Carefully file the four corners in the middle into a point. This is what we're going for. Same for the remaining three sides. And the ring is done. I have no idea how to call the shapes I ended up with. But overall it looks like an old-fashioned alarm clock. I still have to fill the holes, obviously. The shapes look very different from the sides compared to the front. I love the way this ring turned out. What do you think?